1. The Skatia dance, performed by two men, is a tribal dance depicting historical and mythological stories and events. In which state is this dance performed? A. Jharkhand. B. Odisha. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer B. Odisha. 2. Which of the following dances is performed by the Santhal tribe of Jharkhand? A. Chhau. B. Karma. C. Jhumar Dasai. D. Sahul. Answer C. Jhumar Dasai. 3. Changai dance is associated with which state of India? A. Manipur. B. Mizoram. C. Nagaland. D. Tripura. Answer C. Nagaland. 4. Raigad Gharana is associated with which dance style? A. Kathak. B. Bharatanatyam. C. Kuchipudi. D. Mohiniyattam. Answer A. Kathak. 5. Jamda folk dance is associated with which state of India? A. Bihar. B. Jharkhand. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer B. Jharkhand. 6. Vajuvur is one of the styles of which Indian classical dance? A. Odissi. B. Bharatanatyam. C. Kuchipudi. D. Kathkali. Answer B. Bharatanatyam. 7. In which state is the Bhortal dance famous? A. West Bengal. B. Assam. C. Odisha. D. Tripura. Answer B. Assam. 8. Joinpa Lekso is a welcome dance of which country? A. Nepal. B. Bhutan. C. Sri Lanka. D. India. Answer B. Bhutan. 9. Which ritualistic dance is performed by the Kamat tribe of Madhya Pradesh? A. Gauri. B. Tertali. C. Ghumar. D. Garba. Answer B. Tertali. 10. Which of the following traditional dances is mainly performed during Navratri? A. Bhagra. B. Lavani. C. Garba. D. Kathak. Answer C. Garba. 11. Jangtalang is a folk dance of which Indian state? A. Nagaland. B. Mizoram. C. Manipur. D. Tripura. Answer B. Mizoram. 12. Suggi is a famous folk dance of which state of India? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Karnataka. C. Maharashtra. D. Punjab. Answer B. Karnataka. 13. Which folk dance of Rajasthan is also known as Sapera dance? A. Ghumar. B. Kalbelia. C. Tertali. D. Chari. Answer B. Kalbelia. 14. Jagoi and Cholom are the two main styles of which dance? A. Odissi. B. Bharatanatyam. C. Manipuri. D. Kuchipudi. Answer C. Manipuri. 15. Jijia is a famous folk dance of which state? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Bihar. C. West Bengal. D. Haryana. Answer B. Bihar. 16. The Panthi dance style is associated with which state of India? A. Jharkhand. B. Chhattisgarh. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Gujarat. Answer B. Chhattisgarh. 17. Brita dance is a traditional folk dance of which state? A. Odisha. B. Assam. C. West Bengal. D. Bihar. Answer C. West Bengal. 18. Hahak dance is associated with which state? A. Manipur. B. Mizoram. C. Tripura. D. Nagaland. Answer C. Tripura. 19. Jomalok folk dance is associated with which community? A. Garo. B. Khasi. C. Lepcha. D. Mizo. Answer C. Lepcha. 20. Which classical dance form was initiated in the 16th century by the Vaishnav saint Mahapurush Shankardeva? A. Kathak. B. Satriya. C. Mohiniyattam. D. Kuchipudi. Answer B. Satriya. 21. Which of the following folk dances is associated with Jammu and Kashmir? A. Bamba. B. Rauf. C. Kood. D. Karma. Answer C. Kood. 22. Which of the following dance forms is not related to Jharkhand? A. Sahul. B. Lavani. C. Chhau. D. Jhumar Dase. Answer B. Lavani. 23. The folk dance Lambadi is associated with which Indian state? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. D. Kerala. Answer B. Andhra Pradesh. 24. Raut Nacha, Panthi, and Swa are famous dance styles of which state? A. Odisha. B. Chhattisgarh. C. Maharashtra. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer B. Chhattisgarh. 25. Which dance form is associated with the musical instrument Edakka? A. Kathak. B. Kuchipudi. C. Mohiniyattam. D. Bharatanatyam. Answer C. Mohiniyattam. 26. The folk dance Chero is primarily associated with which Indian state? A. Manipur. B. Nagaland. C. Mizoram. D. Assam. Answer C. Mizoram. 27. What is the name of the famous folk dance performed by Punjabi women? A. Bhagra. B. Jhummar. C. Gidda. D. Sami. Answer C. Gidda. 28. Which of the following states is not associated with the classical dance form Chhau? A. Jharkhand. B. Odisha. C. West Bengal. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer D. Tamil Nadu. 29. Which of the following folk dances is known as stick dance? A. Kolattam. B. Bhagra. C. Kuchipudi. D. Garba. Answer A. Kolattam. 30. The folk dance Tarangmel is associated with which state? A. Kerala. B. Maharashtra. C. Goa. D. Gujarat. Answer C. Goa. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family if you think they'd find it interesting or helpful. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way, and I don't want you to miss out. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.